Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language, and today's topic is adverb. What is adverb? Adverb are the words which tells us more about the verb, adjectives or other adverbs like the words like beautifully, extremely, tastefully are the words which are known as adverb. So in the think exercise, what we have to do, we have to underline the word that tells us how, where, and when actions are being performed. Sudha cooks well. That means how? Question mark. Then my friends look sad. Sad. Question mark will be how? Are you coming tomorrow? It gives you the time. That means when. Lina's aunt is sitting inside. Inside. That means it's a place where. Then the children are playing upstairs. Again, where are they playing? Where? Then talk softly when you are at the doctor's. How? This is the question mark. Now, here you have to underline the adverbs in exercise A that describe verbs in red, that describe adjective in green, and describe adverb in blue. Okay. Now the weather is quite pleasant. Quite pleasant. It is adjective. What is it? It is adjective. She talks cheerfully. The word cheerfully is adverb, talk, verb. Sulekha drives rashly. Drives is verb, rashly is adverb. Then she is highly arrogant. Now, arrogant is adjective, highly is adverb. Now, Mohan has very bad habits. Very adjective. Then the breeze blows. The word blows is verb. Silently, adverb. Then we can reach Pune quickly. The word is we can reach. It's a verb. Quickly is adverb. Sneha could solve. Verb. Fairly easily, adverb. Now we will move to our next exercise, that is exercise B. Put the adverb in a right column. Here are some columns are given you and we have to write it. Okay. Now what we will do, it's a manner to 1, time 2, place 3, degree 4 and frequency is 5. So we will write their numbers. Now softly, it's a number 1, it's a manner. Then fast, manner. And joyfully, it's a manner. Okay, number 1. Now time is number 2. Time is first yesterday, then early, and then now. Then third, place. The place is first here. It is 2. It is 2. It is 3. Place here, then nowhere, then outside. Now fourth one is degree. Fully, rarely, and extremely. Now frequency. Almost, usually, and mostly. Okay. Now we will move to our exercise C. Here we have to underline the adverb of manner in red, of time in green, and place in blue. Now Samantha is in class 8. She does all her work sincerely. The verb sincerely is adverb of manner. It is adverb of manner. Whether it is studies or extracurricular activities, Samantha is everywhere. She is indeed an active person. You can see her going here and there. Here and there. It is adverb of time. It is adverb of time. All the time, Samantha credits this to her healthy routine. She always gets up early. Again, it shows the time. And spends some time in the park. First does she exercise and then she meditates for a while. For a while. For a while, the word while is time, adverb of time. People ask her, how can you meditate at such a young age? Samantha's mother is an yoga instructor and thus she taught her the benefit of meditating very early. Then tomorrow Samantha is coming to my house. I am looking forward to out meeting excitedly. Excitedly is adverb of manner and we will be doing the yoga outside. It is place, adverb of place. Now exercise D, we have to complete this sentence. Martha shouts loudly, or you can say joyfully. Loudly or joyfully. Then he knits sweater very fast or beautifully. Then you are sadly mistaken or you are usually, you can write it sadly or usually. I go to an email from his yesterday or soon. I think I have already told you that today or outside. Then she writes well or can say neatly. Then will you be coming for class today? Or you can say daily. Have you seen him outside or here? In exercise E, some words are given and you have to write down that words which are in the box. Mahima dances gracefully. It's a gracefully. Then second one is my friends are mostly of my age. Then the audience are really impressed by his performance. Then fourth one is this workplace is poor because it has done absent-mindedly. Absent-mindedly. Okay. Now, fifth one. He walks to his office daily. Then I am just terribly 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 scared of aeroplanes. Does he write well enough to be a poet, or he hungrily ate the whole of the pizza? So you have understand that adverb, it modify more about the verb, adjective or other adverb. So that's all for today's lesson. Read this lesson very carefully, watch this video very carefully. Once again we will hear with our new session with new lesson. Till then, take care of your health.